We know that the mathematics curriculum that's currently in schools, the maths that students are learning, is really outdated. The world has changed dramatically in recent years, yet our maths curriculum has stayed the same. And in fact, the sequence of high school courses that are in the US, algebra, geometry, was actually created in the 1800s, which is kind of mind-blowing. So we really urgently need to teach kids the maths they're actually going to use in their lives and work and courses.
I believe data science really opens up, both within math classes, but more broadly within education, ways for children to become the discoverers of knowledge as opposed to the recipients of the brilliance of past generations. So at a very practical level, data science is useful because data science is increasingly becoming part of what you do.
We really need to get mathematicians at the table if we're going to change high school maths. So it started off with inviting about 10 mathematicians to come today at Stanford. We ended up having data scientists. There are high school teachers and policymakers are here. People from the universities are here. So we've really brought together those people that we think can make this movement happen.
This is a rare opportunity to gather with experts, other educators, researchers to discuss what is it going to really take to make data science education accessible and valuable for students.
It's a very exciting group that's been put together, and I think it shows tremendous promise for being able to actually spearhead a change. This change will happen. I think the opportunity is to make it happen in the best way possible, enfranchising the largest number of people as we go.
I believe that all of us need to know how to look at data, how to understand data, and to have the expertise to work in the modern economy. So much of every person's job in the future is going to involve some aspect of data, as we've seen data explode in terms of how it's being collected and how it's being used. I really think this is such an incredible opportunity to bring people together to make this change in the education system.
This really seems to have the potential to change the maths in school, change it from a very procedural, meaningless subject for most kids into something that they can see is useful in the world and feel empowered to use that mathematics in the world.